Batch converting PNG to JPG in Linux. Does anyone know a good way to batch convert a bunch of PNGs into JPGs in Linux? I'm using Ubuntu. A PNG to JPG binary that I could just drop into a shell script would be ideal.
Your best bet would be to use ImageMagick. I am not an expert in the actual usage, but I know you can pretty much do anything image related with this. An example is, which will keep the original as well as creating the converted image. As for batch conversion, I think you need to use the Mogrify tool, which is part of ImageMagick. Keep in mind that this overwrites the old images. The command is
the convert command found on many Linux distributions is installed as part of the ImageMagick suite. Here's the bash code to run convert on all PNG files in a directory and avoid that double extension problem.
The actual PNG to JPG command you are looking for is in reality split into two commands called PNGTOPN and CJPEG, and they are part of the netbm and libjpeg packages, respectively.
I have a couple more solutions. The simplest solution is like most already posted. A simple bash for loop. For some reason I tend to avoid loops in bash, so here is a more Unixy Zargs approach, using bash for the name mangling. The one I use. It uses new parallel to run multiple jobs at once, giving you a performance boost. It is installed by default on many systems and is almost definitely in your repo. It is a good program to have around. The number of jobs defaults to the number of CPU cores you have. I found better CPU usage using 3 jobs on my dual-core system. And if you want some stats and ETA, jobs completed, average time per job. There is also an alternative syntax if you are using new parallel. And a similar syntax for some other versions, including Debian.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.